found some local bikes for sale. I'm gonna go get them, and we're gonna resell them. Make a little that Christmas time money. I know it's only October, but trust me, if you want to make that Christmas money, you better. It's all October and November. There isn't a lot left to be had in December. They're not spending thousands of dollars on ATVs first and second week of December. Trust me. The only ATV you're selling the first and second week of December is going to cost around $500, $600, $700. So, time to start collecting these kids' ATVs. We got the Buster. If I buy something that's Chinese, don't be like that. If they want to buy their kid Chinese ATV for Christmas and, you know, and confuse them, go ahead. I mean, sometimes it's better. You get them a Chinese ATV, they don't like it, they think it's trash, they hate ATVs after that, and then they don't end up an addict like me just buying every 2-stroke and 6-speed transmission they see, man. Damn. It's here to get these Chinese, or these cows don't give a damn. Parker, you still want to make some money today?
Nope.
$5, go slap them right in the balls.
Nope.
Right in the cow balls. No. So we got these first two picked up. Tao, I guess, and a 150 Tao. We got the seats in the truck so we don't lose them. Damn, look at them 20s, boy. They tans, but I keep them clean. You know what I'm saying? One's automatic CVT, one's 4-speed manual clutch. Chill. Alright, it's windy as hell, boys. Will you get the 2 seats for these, Bubba? Out of the back seat. First load back. We gotta go pick up some dirt bikes, a couple more 4-wheelers, a blaster, and little CR250, another CR250. Not including that one. Yeah, Texas Sunrise, boy, and big old friggin' spiders. Bought this Polaris and this Polaris yesterday. We're gonna clean it a little up a little bit. This one's got weeds. You know what I mean? Sometimes Polarises, they're so damn fast when they're parked out in the field not running. Sometimes they get weeds. So I'm just gonna wash it. I got 2 Chinese 4-wheelers I gotta deal with, boy. Dude, it's Tao 250, 4-speed with the manual clutch. Tao 150 with the GY6 CVT automatic. I got both of these yesterday. They said they don't have over an hour on them, couldn't keep them running, giving them hell. So we're gonna see if we can get them to fire. And if we can, then we're gonna get them tuned up, boys. Oh, that thing has that little pin in it. So, see, I need a flathead screwdriver for both of these. Let me make sure. This one I can dump right in. I'm excited. I want to get them running. I want to compare them against each other. It's muddy out here. We had some rain. I need to move my trailer. Do a tug of war with them. I'm pretty confident and get these running, but who knows, guys? I ain't even heard them start yet. So, first things first. Yeah, this one's gonna run. It almost started. Hold on, let me give it a little more than that. Out of the way, stupid. Out of the fucking way. There we go. Carb looks new. On the inside, it don't look too dirty. That one's gonna run. So this one had a bad key switch. I got it cranking. I don't know if it's sparking or not yet. But I got a new key on the way. Basically what you do is cut this sucker in half, take the pigtail off, run your red and black together. That'll give you power. Should give you spark as well, so let's see. It sounds like it has no spark plug or no compression. The plug seems like it's been messed with, but this sucker might not have any compression, boys. It doesn't seem like it. Plug was a little loose, boys. She got compression. So, let's see. Do we have bowl screws? I'll be damned. No, shit. But the good thing is they both have PZ27s, which I think I have here. Wife's grabbing me some batteries. She had to go do some grocery getting this morning. Then I don't have to go to Walmart, man. Everybody wins. If you see me in Walmart, just assume I got daggum COVID. Stay the hell away from me. So here they are. The GY6s, they always have the belt cover on the side, you know. Since it's CVT. Let's see if we do have carburetors for these. I know I got at least one, but we might have both. Working on this PW, I just finished that JR. Those will be in a different video. Come on, PZ 27. Look at that. 27. There's one. Damn, that's most of one. Most of one. You're supposed to be new. There's one. PZ 27. Both got the cable choke or the hand flapper, so we should be in business, guys. We're gonna swap these on, drain the fuel, put fresh batteries in them, let them rip. We got some batteries mixing. How's that one, Reagan? What about that little gap, boy? Right there on the end. We got the batteries done. Got the fuel line off. If this has fuel in it or not, the petcock's off. Either the petcock is stuck or there's no fuel in it. Metal tank, great. Full of gas. Son bitch. Full of gas. And oh, there she goes. We're gonna have to let her empty out, boys. Oh, really? It's like that. No flow, huh? How about this way? That's a little better. Decent flow and yeah, decent flow. I know a lot of you are tempted to just take your throttle cable and send that bad boy with the old slide on it. Don't do that, because these can be millimeters different in size, and that's going to cause you a bunch of trouble. And I'm not talking about the lid. The cap can be the same size, but the slide is slightly different. For all you guys that say you start up your bike, I just did the card and it's halfway throttle, or it's wide open throttle. This slide, the long one, needs to go to this peg. You can barely see it in there. Then there's an idle screw here that has this nub in here. That gets the small side. If you put it in backwards or any other direction, this is what you'll get. You can still screw it on, but you're gonna be wide open throttle, dudes. So be sure you get it in there right on an automatic quad like this before you let anybody on it or get on it yourself. You want to look down the barrel of the throttle. See here? See, I can see that's in there, Reagan? Look, it's closed. See? Well, we're gonna need some more throttle function to get that bitch open. We'll figure that out in a minute, though. Okay. cc's. Now we're gonna do this one, dudes, and then we're gonna pit the 150 versus 250, see what happens. What happens if we dog it? Nice, no bog. Sounds pretty good. Yes, sir. Number 2, boys. Sounds like it has more power than that other one, I reckon. Yeah. We'll see. We also got to fix this flat over here. Bow. The petcock was clogged up. I had to blow in it to get her to clear out, but she did. Then we got them LEDs. It's time to versus them, guys. Battle them out. Damn, dudes, I'm charging the battery on the other one because for some reason the new battery was dead. She runs good. I'm to battle her with the 250. You know what they say, dudes? 60 miles an hour this, 60 miles an hour that. I think it's time we get a top speed run on one of these and the 250. Because that's our favorite sales point right there. Go 60 miles an hour. Something tells me I do not want to do 60 on this, but we'll see if it even does, dudes. I must have got a bad battery, guys, because shouldn't even try and start with this brand new battery. Only way that somebody's going to think these things are fast is if maybe one of them's freaking smoking speed, boys, because their reality must be going fast because the damn four-wheeler ain't. I'll tell you that much. Let's see if we can get this done. No matter what method you want to use to air up one of these tires, first thing you need to do is get all this sand off this bead so it can actually seal. So I'm going to take this, blow all around it. My compressor probably has enough to just seat it on its own, but if not, we'll start a fire or something. Oh, allow me to just say what I know you guys are thinking, which is, Jared, good God, man, 30 miles an hour is fast, and be careful on that piece of crap. I know, guys, I am. So, reverse. Oh, this 250's, let's see if it'll wheelie. Okay, if you go backward fast enough and hit the brake hard enough, it will wheelie. I feel better about the suspension on these ones. Actually, oh, the seat fell off. No clutch up, all throttle wheelie. Now a lot of that simply has to do with I'm fat and I can move my butt way back. You know what I'm saying? All kind of torque on this son of a bitch here. Follow me down here, bud. You need to walk down here. Maggie, come tell us when to go.
You gotta tell him when to go, okay? Go run.
She's got all kinds of torque now. The last thing you want to do is dump the clutch. Just a little throttle up. That's safer. You hear that? When I say go, you just try and pull me, okay? I'm gonna try and pull you. First one to cross. Hey, first one to go first. Go, Bubba, go. Damn, Parker, go. All right.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard it. Now this sucker's supposed to run 60 mile an hour. Any guesses, boys? I'm gonna guess 35 tops. I'm gonna try and hold it. 24. This is uphill to be fair. Let's see here. 30.4 miles an hour. You guys, I must have run it down that hill a quarter mile. I seriously run it down that hill at least a quarter mile and only got to 32 miles an hour. It's for adults, full-size racing ATV. It did blow my hair up somehow. I don't know what happened. Some car must have passed me and blew my hair up coming this way or something. A train probably doing about 40. Going uphill. On the downhill. Yeah, be careful, dudes. Ooh, the bumps there. 44.9. That's time and a half on that 30 mile an hour a minute ago. So you guys, you like it? Hey, pretty fun? Yeah, cool. We'll keep it cruising. I might get me a couple more tests. I might put like, see how many sacks of grain we can put on this, or before it touches the tires. I guess you got to choose what you want. This one went 44.9. That one went 30.4. That one has more torque than this one, and that not necessarily more torque, but a better clutch and belt system than this sucker, because y'all seen what happened in the tug of war. So what would you rather do? Be able to go faster or actually be able to climb a hill? Because I don't think this one's climbing many hills. Not unless you're an expert clutcher. Like, it would have died on me right away, right when me and Parker started doing our bumper pull. That thing's been running for an hour or so, air cooled. It's a good runner, huh? You done? Are you done? Go park at both shop. When Parker was younger, I went and bought 2 of these, a 150 and a 250, just like these, brand new. That's how I learned my lesson. And pretty much, day one, got home, had to learn how to troubleshoot Chinese ATVs because the 150 wouldn't start. Just like on Parker over there, it died. And it was something simple. But the cool thing is, if you buy these used, you will learn how to work on stuff. Or you won't be riding. So, and that's only if you get beat by the Chinese 4-wheeler. So, I picked them up cheap. Got them tuned up, got some batteries in them. Gonna sell them. And got you guys a video. So win-win-win. 250 versus 150. Get up in there, boys. Lots more to come. Get on Instagram if you want to buy one of these. Get on Instagram if you want to see the other stuff for sale. Jump on Instagram, TimeMachineATVs. Come on. Yep. To turn it off, you just flick this. Okay. So to start it, pull in this brake. No, pull in that brake. Push the yellow button. Ooh, that starts easy. Good tune-up. You helped me, huh? Come on, buddy. Got the mag wheels on it. Dudes, if you're watching this ATV video, there's a lot more on the channel. We just picked those up this weekend and a bunch of other stuff. We don't always buy the Chinese stuff, but hey, whatever we can make some good money on, boys, that's what you got to do. So, picked them up for 800 bucks. They ought to sell for 2,500 collectively. Batteries and carbs cost me about let's see, 18, 30, about $55. So each, so about 920 bucks in them, plus my own labor. And they ought to bring, hell, I listed the blue one for 13. I'm gonna list that camel one for a little more. And if you're on Instagram, they'll be a much lower price. So get up in there, dudes. We appreciate you guys. Time Machine ATVs. Lots more to come. Blaster rebuild. Waiting on the parts for this blaster rebuild. We're gonna get it looking proper. I knew it was missing something. The pipe. And I just realized it. I'm gonna message him.